do?
Hello guys! Today is December 5, 2023 and our recipe for today is Paksiw na baby barra. So for now, I'm going to pick up some of my ingredients here in my garden. So let's have a look. Main ingredient is the baby barra. Now I'm going to pick up the chilies. Yep. 1, 2. Just gonna put it in my pocket. And ginger uluya. I'm just gonna which one can I get? Tiny bit there, tiny bit here. Oh, that will be enough. Oh, I will also add kaffir lime leaves. There. Here. Okay. Guys, because I'm really hungry now. It's 7 o'clock. I'm just going to put it in medium heat. Yeah, medium heat. First, I'm going to put the water. And this apple cider vinegar. My other ingredients. So aside from the ginger, kaffir lime leaves, the chilies, I also have the garlic. Put it in. I'll add a little bit of salt. Oh, a little bit of soy sauce. And this ground black pepper. And tiny bit of extra virgin olive oil. Cover. Hey Google, set timer 5 minutes.
Sure, 5 minutes. And we're starting now.
Hey Google, stop. Let's check. Whoa, whoa. I'll give it a flip. Turn it off. It's already cooked. Time to eat. Yummy. And tonight I'm going to have orange juice, hot-free orange juice. I haven't eaten paksiw for a long time. Last time I cooked paksiw na catfish. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye. Take care.